Hello guys, welcome back. It looks like Friday, isn't it? But it's nearly Friday. Today's Thursday, the 5th of December. 3 days, just 3 days before my birthday. That's pretty good, pretty cool. So, and it's 3 days from my birthday. It's only 1 day from the NFP. And that's what it's moving the market today, you know, like we do have some, the market has been some sort of less volatile in the past couple of days, but I do expect a lot of volatility coming up from tomorrow morning and of course, you know, next week with the NFP already being released tomorrow night. So let's get into it and see what the market is expecting for the NFP and what am I expecting for the NFP, what am I trading. Yesterday we had the webinar, the strategy webinar, where I place trades live with everyone, and both trades are in profit. We have NZD USD and AUD USD. If they're long or short, I don't know. You're gonna have to watch the replay. So go into the channel right now, subscribe, and go and watch the replay from yesterday webinar. And you know, make sure that you are registered for the next one as well, next Wednesday. If you're not registered, please go into the Telegram group now. Go into the description, go into the Telegram group, and every day from Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, I send the link exactly at 5 p.m. I will send the link to everyone to join me live, okay? So make sure you do that. Now, I do have some things to talk about NFP, but before we go ahead, please subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up this video, and share this content with your friends, because majority of people that are watching us, they're not even subscribers. So that's not nice, right? We do here every day, every day, every Tuesday, Thursdays, and Wednesday we are doing webinars. So just subscribe to our channel. It's the least we ask. All right. So let's get to it. Okay. So I have my phone here just to know. So just to not say any wrong numbers. Tomorrow we're going to be starting at midnight 30 today. So well, tomorrow midnight 30 we're going to be having initial jobless claims. Expected to be at 215,000 from the previous of 213,000. So it's actually expected to have more jobless claims. So expected to have 2,000 more people that have asked to leave the work. Okay. Continue. We're going to be having as well the GDP for Europe, quarter-over-quarter as well as year-over-year. The quarter-over-quarter is expected to be 0.4% from the previous 0.4%, so exactly no changes. And the 0.9% for year-over-year, that's the consensus from the previous of 0.6%. So we do have 0.3% higher than the previous expectation. That's only the expectation. That's what the market is expecting. It doesn't mean that it will come like that, okay? Then what we're going to be having, the best of the best is actually coming up on, well, it will be Saturday for me, the 7th of December, but it will most likely for majority of the people that are watching us right here, it will still be on Friday, okay? Because we are on a different time zone in Australia. So we're going to be having at midnight 30 on Saturday. We have the average hourly earnings, the non-farm payrolls, as well as the unemployment rate. So these three are the most important topics that we have to be following in tomorrow releases. All right. So for the average hourly earnings, the month-over-month, that's the most important one. We're looking at 0.3% from the previous of 0.4%, so a decline of 0.1%. The non-farm payrolls is expected to have a 202,000 from the previous of 12,000. That was a disaster. And then the unemployment rate is to have some uptick from 4.1% to 4.2%. Now, what I think it can actually possibly happen here is we do have a higher NFP, of course higher than the previous, 110% higher than the previous, more than 12,000, at least 200,000 or 180 to 200,000. The unemployment rate, yes, continue to go slowly but surely higher. because the jobless claims is going high as well. So 2,000 more people have been without jobs the last month of November, okay? And then this, of course, repercutes into the economy with a lower GDP, most likely, and a continuation of less jobs on the economy. Now, with that being said, how can this impact the US dollar? Well, first of all, if you don't know, we have a playlist here where I teach my strategy, and one of those videos is trading the NFP, okay? So if you've not watched that video yet, make sure to go into our channel, click in playlists, and then I think it's going to be my face. It's the first or second or third playlist. It's going to be Luca's strategy or Luca Toolbox strategy, something like that. You can click on there, or either way, you can go in the description. I will ask Dave to kindly put the link in the description so everyone can actually click in there. So you can understand how I trade the NFP. So there's an event trading, so that's news trading, but then there is a directional trading as well. On the news trading, I will be waiting for the news to get released, and I will trade whatever, you know, if it's bullish or bearish, just depends. But on the directional trading, I will be going long on US dollar, okay? Yes, I do believe that we have a capacity to go above the 107 level, just because trading at 4.2%. So that's pretty good, okay? And yeah, I will be looking to go long on the US dollar. All right, guys. Don't forget that we do have the webinar today as well, in a couple hours actually. So from 5 to 6 p.m. we're going to be live talking about how can we trade the actual NFP today. Well, tomorrow, sorry. But we're going to be talking about this today. So I hope to see you there. If you've not yet joined us on the Telegram, the link is on the description, or we'll send the link once we start the webinar right there. So make sure to be subscribed to the channel as well so you don't miss any videos, and give us a thumbs up on this video and share this content with your friend. Guys, thank you so much. I see you tonight, or I see you in the next video. Bye-bye.